Getting rid of acne is already a struggle, but don't need to worry, as the tasty truth has brought you powerful ways to help eliminate these unwanted marks within a week by using chemical-free basic kitchen ingredients. So let's dive straight into it. Pimple appears, the pore becomes swollen, which can lead to a break in the follicle wall. If this damage goes deep enough, it reaches the dermal layer of the skin. Your skin immediately responds by producing new collagen fibers designed to repair the damage. Although these fibers try their best, they usually can't restore the skin to its original smooth texture, and that's how acne scars are created. Aloe vera. Aloe vera should definitely be a staple in your skincare routine. It helps prevent early signs of aging, deeply moisturizes the skin, reduces stretch marks, and gives your skin a healthy glow. One of its lesser-known benefits is its ability to reduce acne scars. It works especially well when combined with lemon juice, which naturally helps brighten the skin. Try this simple recipe: mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel with 3 drops of lemon juice and gently massage the mixture onto your face. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, then rinse it off. Aloe vera gel can also be used on its own. It contains important carbohydrate molecules called polysaccharides that promote the growth of new skin cells, helping the skin heal faster and fade dark spots. You can easily find aloe vera gel at any drugstore. Olive oil. When dealing with acne scars, speeding up skin healing is key, and olive oil does exactly that. It has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that nourish the skin and support faster recovery. For a simple scrub, take 1 teaspoon of olive oil and mix it with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Massage it gently onto your skin, rinse with water, and you're done. This scrub improves skin texture and overall appearance. Just remember to use it twice a week. Another great option is sea salt. Mix 2 tablespoons of finely ground sea salt with 1 tablespoon of olive oil to create a thick paste. Massage it into the skin using circular motions, then wash it off. Repeat this twice a week, and you'll notice your acne scars and dark spots gradually fading. Remember, skincare alone isn't enough. Pay attention to your diet as well. Eat more fruits, vegetables, and fish to supply your body with essential vitamins. A balanced diet supports healthy skin just as much as these homemade remedies, and when combined, the results can be truly impressive. Do you have any tips of your own for getting rid of acne scars and dark spots? Share them in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to join us on the healthier side of life.